No problem. No, the only thing is that is the driver is gonna arrive now. Then we can plan kuti muchasimuka nguwai and etc. Yeah.
So recruitment
Yeah, the health. No, we'll get it today. Yeah, you don't have to worry much about it. I know it is a concern to everyone. Even if it delays the health permit to come today, we can still arrange for you to leave. Those of Chumira on your way. Even if the document arrives, Muripa border, it still be safer for you than to be stuck at one place. Yeah, I know everyone home is waiting for the boat. Yeah, so it's better even if you leave now or any time. Then I'll email the document. When you're at the border, you find somewhere to print it. Then yeah, you go. Huh? Huh? Yes, you can wait in Messina. Yeah. Anyway, guys, good afternoon, everyone. I'm at the parlor. We are covering the burial yakaitika munomu ku Johannesburg. All right. The person died about a week ago. Saka, we are preparing. I'm with the family. We are preparing to take the body to Mashingo. Yeah, this is really tiring, to be honest, guys. But we are community leaders, and we are there to help our Zimbabwean community. As far as you remember, guys, last week we had another funeral, the boat that we repatriated to Mashingo, and we are also taking another one to Mashingo. As you know, the last incident, Munaka Shaika, Agata suicide, but the funeral that we are having today, I'm just waiting for other family members to arrive, and then we are going to have a full service. Yes, so the one at Chango Bakushaika, unfortunately, kuti akafane ni cancer. I think Mahone body attack 2 weeks ago, it was the same situation. Chandongo kumbira on the kuti. Let's just pray for the family. They are in pain, and Randakuna Matirwa. The deceased Akasia Mori, Asia Mkazi, Asia Newana Chiremudeki. Yeah. So yes, they've left Mwana, Asia Mkazi. And I want to thank the family for the deceased friends. They have made vital contributions, and those contributions into abatsira kuti munaendeswe ku Zimbabwe. So tango kutenda ivana vakakwanisa kubatsira. Yes, I've got another funeral. I repatriated I can confirm to you this whole week. We've managed to send, I think for this week since Monday, we have sent more than 10 bodies already to Zimbabwe. Chandongo kuti on kuti upenyu wemunhu uri maoko maMwari. Saka ukaona uchikwanisa kurarama each day, you must thank the Lord. Vazhinji vanobvunza kuti vanhu vanoshaika, vazhinji vanoshaika nei? Based on our statistics, kazhinji kachona kana riri side rekuna Cape Town, vazhinji vachona crime, they are victims of crime. Vamwe vachona vanofana chirwere zvakangosiyana siyana zvakaita sangana shura matongo. But recently, death mazhinji ari kuitika, they are a result of cancer. Maybe somehow vazhinji vanoti akarwara munhu kuZimbabwe, they decide kumunza kuno ku South Africa vachiti kune treatment iri nani. With my experience, it's really challenging, guys. Pamwe pachona makaudza kuti madoctors kuZimbabwe kuti zvinhu zvaoma, kunongo kwachona hakuna kazhinji because vazhinji vachona vanozongopedzisira vashaika. So yeah, so basically I'm at the parlor. I'm just waiting for other family members. I'm just waiting for other family members to come so that we will repatriate the body to Zimbabwe. Per last live yandakaita here, there was somebody who came tiri panhamo akati, Mr. Munetsi, tine imwe problem yatinayo, tine munhu ashaika. Tine munhu akashaika, hatina kana mari yekuendesa body. I think makaiona live yandakaita. Vakazondifonera sefamily, ndobva ndasangana navo, ndobva vandodzwa situation, vakati mwana uyu akashaika, ane 15 years, akaita meningitis, and hatina kana mari yekuendesa body kuZimbabwe. Ndichitarisawo situation yachona, we managed to assist the family kuti vakwanise kuradzika hama yavo kuZimbabwe. It's very important, guys, my families, to consider having my insurance, my life policies. I will tell you guys now, so that you know makawirwanye dambudziko, the current charges. Just take a funeral policy, guys. If you are in diaspora, consider kutorera vanhu vari kuZimbabwe mapolicy. Zvinokubatsirai mangwana. If we have to repatriate a body from Cape Town to Zimbabwe, this is no support on my discounts, but the total cost is around 30,000. And from Johannesburg to Harare, my actual prices, they are around 18 to 20,000, which is a lot of money. And kazhinji vanhu vanowirwa nematambudziko, those are the people who cannot afford. So it is very important that consider to have a funeral policy. Inokubatsiraiwo makawirwa nedambudziko. So many people have been asking me, kuti never Munetsi, why can't you have a policy yenyu whereby we can collect the premiums every month to cover one? I can tell you that we are considering that, but there are some legal challenges to the report, because currently I'm one of the shareholders from DAPS, Rosororo Pomulani. So there are some legal issues that are taking place. Now definitely think it's one of the best way for you guys. We'll be having a policy for 60 rand, 80 rand, 100 rand, which is enough kuti munaende Zimbabwe. As I mentioned to you last time, guys, this job is still very difficult at the moment, and I want to thank staff yangu iri ku Cape Town office, Tinashe. She's the CEO of the company. She's doing an excellent job. Okay. I also want to oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. I also want to take this opportunity to tend abantu now. Those guys, my staff, sometimes they work until late midnight. They do my removals from the hospital. Pakati pe usiku chaipo. Those guys, they work. My drivers angu, they work 24 hours. I will tell you, this guy who is taking this body, you are not allowed to carry anyone. Saka is going to drive this body. Ari ega achishika nayo pamusha. What a sacrifice. Some of them, I sent another body yesterday to Mozambique. From Johannesburg kuneko eri kuenda ku Mozambique, it's 2,500 kilometers. He has to drive from Johannesburg to Bedbridge, which is 500 kilometers, and then from Bedbridge to Nyamapanda, I think it's 1,500 kilometers. It goes to 2,000. From Nyamapanda to Beira, it's another 500 kilometers. It's 2,500 kilometers. The guy is going to drive almost 3 days at the road. That's number. That's not what I say. So I would like to thank staff Yandino Senza now. Those guys, they are very dedicated. Vamwe vachona ndana baba vachokura age yangu ini age ya baba wangu vamwe ndana sekuru, but when we work as a team. We are Zimbabweans. We want to change the lives of our people. We are living in a foreign land. We cannot blame the South African government, but we appreciate for them creating the platform. We cannot always tell Tishande, but some of us, we want to be employers. We want to create the opportunity to make sure that we change the lives of our people. So going back to the main issue, guys, we are going to have our own funeral plan. whereby you can cover your parents. Even if you can cover your parents, you know that if you are in Zimbabwe, you've got a policy in South Africa, you're covered. Motorana gogo, motorana sekuru, and etc. I always tell my friends, especially the ones that are in Cape Town, kuti unonzwa kuti munhu ashaika afirwa namai vake kuZimbabwe, munhu mai vanenge anoshaya mari yekuenda kufuneral, mai vanovigwa nevanhu vepa next door, mai vanotsvagerwa coffin pa growth point nenyaya yekuti panenge pasina mari. So it's very important to make sure kuti tine vanhu vari kuZimbabwe and then tivatorera mapolicies. So we are considering that, guys, as I mentioned to you, that in terms of the documentation and all the processes are in order, but there are some legal issues that we need to clear first and to map the way forward. So thank you guys for all your love, for your support to my company. As well, I can say, Kuti, I'm helping, but you guys are also paying the money. It might be the little that you are giving, but I tell you that it brings a very big change to my life. It also brings a very big change to the people that I work with. I've got many staff, and but we are able to give them a decent salary, support with everything. So thank you very much. And some of you guys, you refer to many people. Ndakaona live yenyu yakati pa SIS MELLY, then takuita sorry nombobuda shona yacho unonzwa vanhu vachiti takakuona pa live ya SIS MELLY tine hamedi yashaika. Guys, I'm not scared of the competition with the business that I'm doing. Some people, they talk about Nyaradzo. Unonzwa vanhu vachiti no, we don't want to use Mr. Munetsi, we want to go to Nyaradzo, we want to go to Moonlight, we want to go to Kampanip, we want to go to Kings and Queens. Guys, as I as a young Zimbabwean, I also want you, the young generation, to support me. Because in the mwana wenyu, ndiri mzukuru wenyu, madara akaita mari kudhara. It's high time for you to support the young people who are going into business. Your generation yedu iyi. Ava vamwe ava tinoziva kuti mazita munofarira, but vakangotangosa Munetsi. So we need to support each other, guys. Ndo pfungwa yacho kuti ya. But I'm not scared of competition. Vakatanga varipo, and they are big companies. I'm still young, but I'm also bringing impact within the community. It may take years and so on. But what I always tell people, guys, there are so many people who have tried to do this kind of business, and they actually failed very badly, guys. This business is not driven by money, guys. It's driven by the heart of people. Every day I deal with people who are mourning, when are in pain. So to me, I understand. So I know Sangana Naso. And it. So thank you very much, guys. As I'm saying to you, we are waiting for the family. We are waiting for the family, guys. The family is coming. Then we are going to have the full service. Yeah, it's the job that we do, guys. To me, I came into this industry as a passion, trying to help our people. If you ask me, what have you studied? What are you currently? I have other projects that I do, other employment that I do, other professional qualifications that I save. But here, I like it because most of the time, like these families, they prefer to deal directly with Munetsi. If I'm not here, one of our time at school that Munetsi wachona. So let's work together, guys. Let's support each other. ATC. Someone in Cape Town, in the owner of Zimbabwe in Cape Town, and kune show mangwana. But now kunetsana kubvunza kuti tenda kwa mai titeri kana kwa jam master. Aiwa. Samnenge mango funga ndizoso. But thank you very much, guys. We are simply waiting for the family. Irikuya. I think some of them, they've just arrived now. They are in very pain. As I'm saying that the deceased, Asiwa, guys, I know kuti vamwe vanhu vari pano pa group muri chirikadzi, makafirwa nevarume, makafirwa nevakadzi. It's always painful, guys, to lose the beloved one. Unfortunately, she cannot go to Zimbabwe. Nenyaya yekuti maborders achiri akavharwa, they don't allow. And it's only the driver who is going to take the body to Zimbabwe. Thank you very much, Noma Case, and all my friends and all the Zimbabwean community. SIS MELLY Diaries. Thank you very much, SIS MELLY. You are a savior to the Zimbabwean community. Gambe makadaro batanai. One chinchimwe chandakaona ndechekuti whenever you try to do good things, people, they say a lot of bad things. And if I was a controversial person, people, guys, but I live a clean life, I live a transparent life, whereby you never see anything bad. Zvinotaurwa naMunetsi. Saka vamwe vazhinji vanenge vachitsvagawo zvekunyora zvakashata and etc. But I've made a vow in front of God kuti Mwari, I want to live a very clean life. I want to serve my community. And this has actually helped me to grow and to be a better person. Yes, we are considering a funeral policy at the moment. We are working on that with the underwriters, but there are some legal issues that I need to clear because I'm one of the shareholders of one of the biggest insurance companies. So we are working on that. So thank you very much, people. We are going to start the service very soon. We're just going to have you a live coverage so that you guys, you'll be able also to pray for the family. Muasimbiso kuti Mwari atungamire, Mwari aropafadze, avasimbise kune vasiri kuenda kuZimbabwe. May the Lord bless you guys. I will leave you with my favorite verse from the Bible, which is Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Jeremiah 29 verse 11 is a very powerful. That's my favorite verse, guys. It gives me hope, it gives me peace whenever I'm going through my challenges that anyone can go through. But Mwari anondisimbisa kuti kana since for I know the plans that I have for you. Munhu anoziva maplans wayo ndiMwari. Thank you very much. God bless you.